Hello everyone, and welcome to this complete Python course. My name is Avigna, and I'll be your instructor throughout this course. Whether you're completely new to programming or just looking to strengthen your fundamentals, you have come to the right place. I created this course with one simple goal to make learning Python easy, practical, and enjoyable. Programming can also sometimes seem to be very overwhelming at first, but I believe anyone can learn it when concepts are explained clearly and step by step. My goal isn't just to teach you Python syntax, it's to help you understand how to think like a programmer and solve problems with confidence. Now, Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It's used in AI, machine learning, automation, web development, data science, cybersecurity, scientific computing, and much more. So, whether you want to become a software developer, automate everyday tasks, build intelligent applications, or just simply learn programming, Python is an excellent place to start. Now, let me give you a quick overview of what we'll cover in this course. We'll start from the very beginning and gradually move on to the advanced topics. And along the way, you'll build projects, complete exercises, and gain hands on practice that reinforces everything you learn. So, throughout this course, you'll complete exercises, build projects, solve real programming problems, and develop confidence to write Python programs on your own. Programming is a practical skill, and the best way to learn is by writing the code by yourself. So I encourage you to code along with every lesson, pause the videos when needed, experiment with the code, and complete the exercises before moving on. So, this course isn't about memorizing syntax, it's about understanding how programming works, learning to think logically, and developing the confidence to solve problems on your own. My goal is to explain not only how something works, but also why it works. When you truly understand the concepts, learning new technologies become much easier. And remember, this course is completely beginner friendly. You don't need any previous programming experience. All you need is curiosity, consistency, and the willingness to practice and learn. And don't worry if you make any mistakes, there are a natural part of learning. Every programmer, no matter how experienced, learns by debugging and improving. So, by the end of this course, you'll have a strong understanding of Python and the confidence to build your own programs. You'll also have a solid foundation for moving into areas such as automation, software development, data science, and AI. So, I'll see you in the first lesson. Thank you.